is a maze. Love is a riddle. I don't know where to go. Gone through it alone. I've tried, and I don't know why.
Okay, so the shirt I'm wearing is this muscle tee, and I'm wearing my dark black jean jacket. My pants are these Adidas sweatpants that I got from Amazon. I don't know what's happening here. And yeah, my hair, it looked better in the morning, but rain got to it. I'll do a video on my hair later. My shoes are these Levi's Vans look-alike. They were $3. And at the end, I'm just talking, trying to practice my vlogging skills. Thanks for watching. There will be a prom get ready with me video coming up soon, so look out for that. And have a great day. Bye.